M-150 is GPI's most popular series of high-efficiency fuel transfer pumps. Assembled in Wichita, Kansas, from rugged aluminum and powder-coated steel, M-150 is compatible with gasoline, E15, kerosene, and diesel blends up to B20. M-Series pumps are available in 12 or 24-volt DC configurations with a 15-gallon per minute flow rate. M-150 is designed for small to medium tanks in agricultural, landscaping, recreational, and construction applications at temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. M-150 is robust and built to last, so you can depend on M-150 to keep your operation running at the toughest job sites and through the harshest weather conditions. M-150 is equipped with many innovative features to increase reliability and improve your ease of use, including an easy-access strainer that prevents debris from entering your pump, a pre-installed power cord that saves you time and hassle during pump installation, and a convenient spin collar to make installing M-150 on your tank simple. M-150 pump systems are also equipped with our custom injection molded telescoping suction pipe that provides a better seal than other suction pipes on the market. A QR code is also conveniently located on the side of every GPI fuel pump. When you scan the QR code with your smartphone, you will be taken to our My Pump web app. Here you'll find links to the owner's manual, installation videos, links to buy spare parts and accessories, and a phone number to call GPI's product support team. All M-Series pumps are 100% full load tested at the factory and backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty, so you can have confidence that when you buy from Great Plains Industries, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing GPI.